Assalamualaikum, welcome to Farm and Form. What is cascade, what is bubble, and what is sink airlock system, how cross contamination is prevented in pharmaceutical industries, and how we protect our clean rooms in pharmaceutical industries. All of this will be discussed in this video. So if you have not subscribed my channel, first of all press the subscribe button. What is airlock? Airlock basically is the lock of air. This airlock is created between two areas for the protection of clean rooms, and this airlock is established by using the air pressure. So what are the types of airlocks? There are three types of airlocks. One is the cascade airlock, second one is the bubble airlock, and third one is the sink airlock. If you want to learn details and designs and working principle of airlocks, must watch the video. Link of video is given in description. Here we will discuss the three types of the airlocks. So first of all, have a look over the diagram. In pharmaceutical industries, usually we have corridors, then we have airlocks, and then we have the primary manufacturing area. So first of all, we will discuss the cascade airlock system. In cascade airlock system, we have higher pressure in the corridors, mean we have 3 plus in the corridor, and we have 2 plus in the airlock, and we have 1 plus in the primary manufacturing area, mean we have 30 pascal pressure in corridor, we have 20 pascal pressure in the airlock, and we have 10 pascal in the primary manufacturing area. As we know, air moves from higher pressure to low pressure, so air will flow from the corridor to the airlock system, and from airlock system to the primary manufacturing area or the granulation area. In this way, our cross contamination is prevented, mean whenever we will open the door of our primary manufacturing area, due to the pressure difference, the dust inside the area will not come into the airlock, because pattern of air is from airlock to the primary manufacturing area. In this way, in cascade system, we prevent the cross contamination by creating the difference of the pressure between corridor, airlock, and the primary manufacturing area, and air always move from outside to the airlock, mean from corridor to the airlock, and from airlock to the primary manufacturing area. In cascade, you can also reverse it, mean here we have 3 plus, here we have 2 plus, and here we have 1 plus, mean 30 pascal, 20 pascal, and 10 pascal. This can be used for the grade A, where air moves from inside to the outside, and it prevent the entry of microbes or contaminants from outside to the inside of the clean rooms. So next one is the bubble airlock. How bubble airlock works? In bubble airlocks, we have 2 plus in the airlock system, and we have 1 plus in corridor, and we have 1 plus in the primary manufacturing area. For example, we have 20 pascal in the airlock, 10 pascal in the corridor, and 10 pascal in the primary manufacturing area. Here, apart from corridor, we may have any other adjacent manufacturing area, but for easy understanding, we are taking the example of corridor. So in airlock, pressure is high, and in adjacent areas, pressure is low. So in bubble airlock system, air moves from airlock to the outside corridor and to the inside of the primary manufacturing area. Mean whenever we open the door of primary manufacturing area, air will enter from the airlock to the primary manufacturing area, and when we will open the door for the corridor, air will enter from the airlock to the corridor. So the contaminants from corridor will not come into the airlock due to the pressure difference, and inside dust of the granulation process will not come to the airlock due to the pressure difference. So it is the bubble, mean in bubble airlock system, air move from the airlock system to the corridor and to the primary manufacturing area. Third one is the sink airlock system. In sink airlock system, we have 1 plus in the airlock system, 2 plus in the corridor and 2 plus in the primary manufacturing area. So air will move from the primary manufacturing area to the airlock and from the corridor to the airlock due to the pressure difference. Mean whenever we will open the door of primary manufacturing area, air from inside will come in the airlock, and when we will open the door of corridor, air from corridor will enter into the airlock system. So it is known as sink airlock system. Here we have 10 Pascal, here we have 20 Pascal, and here we have 20 Pascal. So air from primary area and from the corridor come into the airlock system in the sink airlock system. Hope you are now familiar with the airlock system. Simply for cascade, we have higher pressure in the corridor and air moves from the corridor to the inside of manufacturing area, and in bubble airlock system, air from the airlock enter into the corridors and into the primary manufacturing area, and in the sink airlock system, air from the primary manufacturing area and corridor enter into the airlock system. So if you like the video, share it to others and do subscribe my channel. Till the next video, Allah Hafiz.